Hey, how you doing, man? Hey, I got a store transfer Rosedale.
Yes, I got you.
All right, perfect. Thank you. Hey, do you want me to back into here?
Oh no, I'm gonna go down the ramp over
Okay.
there. That should be perfect, honestly. I can just
All
drive
right.
right there.
Thank you so much. Go ahead. That's perfect.
Good?
Yep. I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. Hey, how you doing? We got an order here that was going to one of the job sites.
Okay.
Yeah, I just had a question. I was told that I guess there were going to be some workers here at the place where the job is being done, but I don't see anybody. Where do you want me to place the furnace?
Okay, so we just called the customer. He said he'd be there in like 5 to 10 minutes. He said if there's no way that you could wait, you can just drop it off in the driveway.
Okay, I'll place it by the garage if that's cool.